In Module 21, we will be installing the remaining return wall brackets. With the back wall fully installed, we can now test fit the return walls and install them. Place the vertical jig back up against the return wall, engaging it with the already installed bottom return wall bracket. Clamp the jig to the center skirt. This was installed to help hold the jig and will be removed after using the jig. Place a 6-foot bubble level against the side of the jig, ensuring the brackets will be level. You will now install the remaining 3 return wall brackets on each of the return walls. Mark the center of each of the slotted holes on the return wall brackets. Drill a pilot hole using a 3/32 drill bit in the remaining marked holes. Install the remaining return wall brackets using the provided number 8 screws.